Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Galah birds, also known as the pink and gray cockatoos. These vibrant and playful birds are native to Australia and are a favorite among bird enthusiasts. Let's explore 50 amazing facts about galahs that will leave you in awe of these incredible creatures. 1. Scientific name. The galah's scientific name is Eolophus rosacapilla. 2. Common names. They are also known as pink and gray cockatoos or rose-breasted cockatoos. 3. Appearance. Galahs have a distinctive pink face and breast with gray wings and back. 4. Size. They typically measure about 35 centimeters, 14 inches in length. 5. Weight. Galahs weigh between 270 to 350 grams, 9.5 to 12.3 ounces. 6. Lifespan. In the wild, they can live up to 40 years, but in captivity, they can live up to 72 years. 7. Habitat. Galahs are found throughout Australia in both urban and rural areas. 8. Diet. They are herbivores, primarily eating seeds, nuts, fruits, and berries. 9. Social behavior. Galahs are highly social and often seen in large flocks. 10. Vocalization. They are known for their loud and distinctive calls. 11. Intelligence. Galahs are very intelligent and can learn to mimic human speech. 12. Breeding. They typically breed from July to December. 13. Nesting. Galahs nest in tree hollows, often lined with leaves. 14. Eggs. A typical clutch consists of 2 to 5 eggs. 15. Incubation. The incubation period is about 25 days. 16. Fledging. Chicks fledge at around 7 to 8 weeks old. 17. Monogamous. Galahs form monogamous pairs that mate for life. 18. Eye color. Males have dark brown eyes, while females have red or light brown eyes. 19. Crest. They have a light pink mobile crest on their heads. 20. Beak. Their beak is bone-colored and strong enough to crack hard seeds. 21. Feet. Galahs have zygodactyl feet, meaning to toes face forward and to backward. 22. Flight. They are strong flyers and can travel long distances in search of food. 23. Playful. Galahs are known for their playful and acrobatic behavior. 24. Human interaction. They are very friendly and can become affectionate pets. 25. High maintenance. As pets, they require a lot of attention and mental stimulation. 26. Obesity. Galahs are prone to obesity if not given a proper diet and exercise. 27. Heat adaptation. They are well adapted to the hot Australian climate. 28. Predators. Common predators include foxes and birds of prey. 29. Agricultural impact. They can sometimes be considered pests due to their feeding habits. 30. Conservation status. Galahs are not currently considered endangered. 31. Migration. They are not migratory but may move locally in response to food availability. 32. Communication. Galahs use a variety of vocalizations and body language to communicate. 33. Bathing. They enjoy bathing and will often play in water. 34. Dust bathing. Galahs also take dust baths to keep their feathers clean. 35. Grooming. They spend a lot of time grooming themselves and each other. 36. Feather molt. They molt their feathers once a year. 37. Color variations. While most galahs are pink and gray, some may have slight color variations. 38. Cultural significance. In Australia, the term galah is slang for a full or loud-mouthed person. 39. Training. With patience, galahs can be trained to perform tricks. 40. Health issues. Common health issues include cytosine beak and feather disease. 41. Diet in captivity. In captivity, they should be fed a balanced diet of pellets, fresh fruits, and vegetables. 42. Exercise. They need plenty of exercise to stay healthy and happy. 43. Noise level. Galahs can be very noisy, especially in the morning and evening. 44. Sleep. They need about 10 to 12 hours of sleep each night. 45. Bonding. They form strong bonds with their human caregivers. 46. Curiosity. Galahs are naturally curious and enjoy exploring their environment. 47. Toys. Providing a variety of toys is essential to keep them mentally stimulated. 48. Breeding in captivity. Breeding Galahs in captivity requires specific conditions and care. 49. Legal status. In some areas, owning a Galah may require a permit. 50. Popularity. Galahs are popular pets due to their friendly nature and striking appearance. Galahs are truly remarkable birds with their vibrant colors, playful personalities, and impressive intelligence. Whether in the wild or as pets, they bring joy and fascination to those who encounter them. We hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing creatures. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting wildlife facts.